Okay, let's see what we got.
Nini, what's that? Nini.
Handsome. You only want the chicken and the cheese. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day because you are clicking on this vlog. So you know it's a new day. It's a new day and we are all blessed to be alive and well. You see what I have in my hand? Cheese. Can you guys tell what I'm about to commit right now? What I'm about to do right now. In the morning, I am having butter and cheese. Let me tell you what happened to me last night before I even go into the rest of today's vlog. So last night, yesterday afternoon into last night, I got home and the bun was just in front of me and I'm like, okay, I just need a piece of this bun because the bun is moist and is juicy. To be exact, it's HTB bun, and listen me man, the bun nice and moist. You don't need no cheese, you don't need to warm it. I've been just cutting the bun yesterday and eat it until I'm sure I ate at least 5 slices of the bun yesterday. Yesterday the bun was half and this morning it's finished. I've been just eating the bun, and after I had dinner I went back and just keep cutting the bun until about 10:30 last night. I'm like, Lord, why should I feel guilty for eating? Like, why? But this is not that I feel guilty for eating. It's the time of the night that I was eating. I'm like and then I look at babe and say, listen, I work out so hard to do this, to eat, really and truly, because I love food so much. But if I eat it and don't do any physical activity, then I know I'm gonna put on weight, and I put weight on so easily. It's not even about the weight, but I like to look a certain way, and in order to maintain that I have to work out. And I said, you know what, I'm just gonna eat this bun. Then this morning I come and the bun is in front of me again. So I said to babe that, you know what, I'm gonna eat off this bun, that way I can stop dreaming about it. So I'm having the last of it and I'm gonna sit this morning and I don't care. I'm gonna eat that bun and cheese, and guess what, I just finished working out, so it's all worth it, honey child. So I'm finishing my bun. Thank you, Auntie Max. I enjoy every bite of this bun. And I have a little piece of cheese leaf. I can do whatever I want with this. So yes. On another note, I'm all dressed and ready to head out on the road because I'm going, you'll see where. But I also just dropped Tyler to school. Have Sarah here, not dropping her to school this morning because I have something to go and do on the road. But since you want to know what I'm going to do on the road, let's go. But first, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the road. Let's go. You guys, I'm finally telling you guys where we are. So we are going to do a little bit of shopping for our kids. Our kids need clothes. My kids need some clothes. So today's mission is Mission Sarah and Mission Tyler. If I see something for myself, I'll pick it up, but it's Mission Kids today. So you guys know we like to shop at Primark. So we are at Primark today in the week where we know there won't be much people. So let's go do some retail therapy, shall we? And it's empty because there's nobody. A little bit of people just strolling around, going shopping. shirts. Yeah. Oh yeah. Indoor though, not outdoor. You guys, shopping was a success. You guys have to stay tuned for the haul when I get back home. We finished having lunch at McDonald's right now. I'm having what I normally have. And Babe is having what he normally have. But Babe order's not here as yet, so he gotta wait. Hungry? And some? You only want the chicken and the cheese. See, come in. Come in, baby. Come in. It's coming. Merci. Et voilà. I'm gonna eat out his fries. Yeah, no, I'm gonna eat out his fries. What? Because Sarah wake up?
No, after the gun, I eat that.
You guys, I've been back and so tired. The sun beat me really bad, but I got some good deals at Primark. A lot of €2 deals, and I got out with three bags, and I'm happy with my order. So let me show you guys some of the things that I got, and everything that I'm showing you guys is under €200. Just above 180, so that's a huge deal. Are you coming to see what I got? Okay, let's see what we got.
Nini, what's that? Nini.
Wow!
See,
I'm also getting things for our vacation. So I saw this and thought it would be cute for Sarah to wear it comfortable on the flight. So yes, that's cute. I got me some dollar shirts.
Wow!
These shirts can wear in the house, and these one can wear on the things or in the house during summertime. And I got these for $1. Wow, those are for Mama.
You.
Not $1, €1. Okay, shorts for Mr. Tyler.
Oh!
Let's pop off these things same time.
I was saying, I thought you were saying pants for Mrs. Sarah.
No. These shorts for you. So I got shorts for Tyler because Tyler tried on his shirt in his closet and they couldn't pass his leg. So I had to get Tyler some new ones. So I got me 3 of the Euro shirts. This one was €3 though.
Did
You ask me why, I guess because it's black. Okay.
Wow!
Wow.
Pretty pants.
Pretty pants. Good job.
Mm.
I have a lot more.
Wow! It's
Shorts
pretty
for Tyler.
Bravo.
Pretty shorts. This one is shorts. And I also got myself a new sneakers. Shoes for Mama. I got this pack of white shirt for Tyler. A pack of 5 for €6. And they are perfect for summer in-house and out-house. So I got you some of these. Remember you had some but they got small? So you got 5 pretty new ones.
So now we have 6.
Cause only one remain of the others. Another jeans for Tyler. You know what Tyler hates? Tyler hates skinny jeans. Tyler don't like when his jeans suck onto his foot, and I don't like it either, so I'm happy that he don't like it. Alright. Something for the princess.
Do you have
I was looking for one for you, but I didn't see any character one that you like. So you'll get one as soon as we see it, okay? Because I know you need an umbrella. Tyler had a Paw Patrol one when he was younger, but it break and he need a new umbrella. But I didn't see any character for you. Don't worry, you'll get one.
I can use Sarah one while she's
Pink? No. That ain't gonna happen. We get lots of leggings for princess. Wow.
It's very hard.
Different color. You know, I like bright and beautiful things. More leggings for Sarah. I love her reaction. Oh, this must be a Sarah bag. Alright, let me get some Tyler things. Shorts for Tyler. Bright and beautiful. I love buying my kids bright clothes because when they're in crowd, they must be able to stand out so I can't miss them out of my sight. And more shorts for Tyler. Overload shorts. You guys, I bought shorts for school and shorts for out and shorts for home. So it's all 3 different sets of shorts. And this. This pants matches Sarah hoodie that you saw earlier. And something I hate about what parents don't do with little girls is when they're wearing dresses, don't put undershorts under their clothes. Like I saw a little girl in the park in the week and she was no more than 5-6 years old. She had on a dress and her dad have her upside down on a bar. I'm like, oh my gosh, nothing under her dress. Like, why parents do that? I got Sarah some under dress shorts, leggings, tights, whatever you call it, and this onesie, super cute, and it's for €5. Got a lot of deals.
Wow, mermaid.
Mermaid, pretty for Sarah. €2 shorts.
Shining like yellow.
Tyler,
Wow.
€2 shirt. Tyler.
It's for
This one is €7 because it's character.
in or out.
Out.
I know,
More
but
shirt.
when you finish edit.
Tyler, why you put your hands inside your
More
pants?
shirts for silly.
Umbrella.
A little pants, leggings thing going for Sarah. Cute shirt. for Sarah.
T-shirt.
T-shirt. What's that?
T-shirt.
What's on it?
T-shirt.
Yes, but what is this on it? Sunflower.
Sweater.
Me look Sarah. Alright, here we go again. Shirt for Tyler.
Ooh.
Shirt for Tyler. And all of these shirts are €2 or €2.50.
Wow.
Shorts for Ty.
Short.
Shirt for Ty. Shirt for Sarah.
Skirt.
This dress was the cutest little dress. Look how cute it is for Sarah. Can you guys believe I get all these things for under €180? These shirts are super cute. And this haul is from Primark. Primark France. More shirt for Sarah.
Unicorn.
Unicorn. She don't miss nothing. Cute shirt for Princess.
Sarah cute shirt. With the heart.
Heart.
Does
Good
it match?
job. same.
No, they're not.
Same design.
No, they're not.
Splashy white and pink.
Look at them.
Papa's right. It's more dark here than
Papa
here.
is right. Mama just.
Anyway, you guys, that's all the things that I got for the kids. No umbrella. Who is on it? Minnie. Can I have it? Thank you. Now you go. Umbrella is not a toy. Bye bye. Picked up my son from school and the first thing he said to me is, Mama, I want potato and curry chicken for dinner. So of course Mama have to come true. Have to come true. So you want to go to the park? No, not now. So I'm making curry chicken. I put some coconut milk in it just now, hence why it look a little bit white. But yeah, it's on the last lap. I'll show you guys when I finish. And then with that, I made some broccoli, and the potato is cooling in the fridge to make potato salad. And one is outside screaming for Mama, and the next one is there doing homework. Let's go find out what she wants.
Yay!
Can I help you?
No?
Okay. What do you want?
It's bicycle.
It's bicycle you're riding? You're riding?
Ready?
Say bing bing.
Bing, bing.